Taking center stage, mastering the spotlight in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting English expression, taking center stage. This phrase is not just about the literal act of standing in the middle of a stage. It's a powerful metaphor used in various contexts. Stick with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can add flair to your English conversations and writing. Taking center stage means becoming the focus of attention or the most important person or thing in a particular situation. Imagine a theater. The center stage is the most visible spot, where the main action happens. When someone or something takes center stage, it's like they are in that spotlight, capturing everyone's attention. The expression comes from the world of theater, where the stage is divided into different areas. The center stage is traditionally considered the most important part of the stage, where the lead actor or key scenes are highlighted. Over time, this term evolved into a metaphor used in everyday language, signifying a position of prominence or importance. Let's see taking center stage in action. In a meeting, when a new idea becomes the main topic of discussion, it is taking center stage. During a sports match, if a player performs exceptionally well, they are taking center stage in the eyes of the fans and media. In technology, when a new invention changes the way we live, it takes center stage in public interest and dialogue. To effectively use taking center stage in your communication, context is key. Use it when discussing situations where something becomes the most important or noticeable element. Variety. It's great for essays, speeches, or conversations when you want to emphasize the importance of a person, idea, or event. Creativity. Pair it with vivid descriptions to paint a clear picture of the importance or impact of the subject in question. Taking center stage is a vibrant expression that brings your language to life, highlighting the importance or dominance of a subject in any scenario. Whether you're discussing ideas, people, or events, using this phrase can help you convey significance with flair. We hope this exploration helps you confidently incorporate taking center stage into your English repertoire. Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing to shine in your own English language journey.